Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 12. Want to represent our project, which is developing LMS site for Pusat APEL UTHM. Our group consists by Anas Fetika, Cahyo Gusti, Darin Kisina, Kania Rahmana Putri, and Nurin Alina. Next. Okay, for the introduction, APEL is accreditation of prior experiential learning, which is accreditation is an experience-based learning experience that has been identified by the Malaysian Qualification Framework, MQF. Okay, our project in general that relate to things that acquired by a person directly through formal education or now through his previous experience. Apple system allow those who have work experience but lack qualification or no academic qualification to continue their study at institution of higher learning. Our project consists four level, which are Apple level 3, level 4, level 6, and level 7. Okay, next.
Okay, for the selection of tool and justification, we use Moodle, especially Moodle 3.11 and point 4, and Moodle is stand for Modular Object-Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment, which is a web-based platform. So all the teaching and learning activities are carried out by accessing the website using a browser. Also, this Moodle can be used for free, thus it can be a solution for teaching and learning that is cheap but still effective. Moodle LMS is an open source learning management system with built-in security and privacy features used by hundreds of millions of students worldwide. Next, and inside our project, we add several modules, and the first module is the site home. The site homes provides information about APEL, available courses, the courses categories, and courses the students enrolled in. Students also can view the instructors that teach the course they enrolled in through the site home. Next.
Okay, this is the appearance of the dashboard. So the dashboard of the APEL LMS site has a quick bird's eye overview. For the home menu in the dashboard, students and the instructor can view courses they enrolled in through the course overview feature. To see the upcoming or do tasks through the timeline feature, view other online users, calendars, and view the last course they accessed or enrolled in through the recently accessed course. We can also access course menu to see courses list and profile menu to change or edit profile. And this is for the flowchart for dashboard. User must be logged in and then they can view the dashboard. So in dashboard there are home, courses, and profile. And for the next slide, this is for calendar. The calendar features in LMS can view everything they have to do for all courses they have enrolled in. The calendar shows all of the student assignments and quizzes with the specific due date for each course. And this is for the flowchart of calendar. The user must be logged into LMS and then they will see appearance for dashboard. And if they click calendar, it will be there are monthly calendar and new event, and then for logout if they finish their task. Okay.
Course. The course module contains all of the students and instructor enrolled in class. Inside the course, the student can see the material that the instructor has uploaded. The material can be video, image, or document format. The instructor can divide the topics for the courses and make assignment or quizzes for the student that enroll in the course. Next. Role of each user. The administrator is in charge of managing the site in general. The instructor can do anything with the courses they teach. The student is a user who learns on a course. Next.
Next, I will explain about security implementation. We use the IP blocker for our security. IP blocker consists of two parts, which is the allow IP list and block IP list. So the block IP list, they cannot enter the website easily, which is to secure our website. And then next slide. Next slide is conclusion. So the conclusion from our project is, the conclusion of our project is we have learned how to develop a learning management system for APEL UTHM. Also for this project, there are some recommendations for LMS, which are: first, information security training should be customized to the audience. Next, faculty should be encouraged to restructure classroom-based courses for the online environment by institutions that offer online courses or programs. And lastly, researchers studying online teaching and learning should focus their efforts on gathering data on the effectiveness of tools, technologies, and practices for which there is a lack of evidence. Thank you.
Okay, hello. I will try to demo our LMS, and this is for the site home. You can see this is for the toolbar. For home courses, there are 4 courses, and this is about us. And then for rows, we can log in. I'll try to log in using student's account. This is for the dashboard of student account. There are 4 courses, APEL tahap 3, APEL tahap 4, APEL tahap 6, and APEL tahap 7. And in the right side, there are timeline, private files, and online users. Here we can see other users who open the LMS, and this is Celeste's pages and calendar. Calendar is to view the event for the course. And we will try to see for one of the course. This is for APEL tahap 3 or APEL tahap 3 in our LMS. Students can mark as done for their topic, and for the instructor and admin, they can input the topic. From the topic is text, and then video. And in the left side, there are participants. We can see the participants for this course, badges, competencies. Competencies is for the report of students. If instructor want to display the report, students can see it also for grades. And then this is for assignment. Instructor and admin also can input assignment. And then the topic, this is for documents. Also, we can go back to dashboard. We will see for APEL 4. The difference for APEL 3 and APEL tahap 4 is the content of the course. And we will see for the quiz. Wait for it. There are new activity information, so the student can see for activity dates and or what to do to complete the activity are displayed on the course page. And then this is for literature review. The first course for APEL tahap 3, there are no literature review, so we input for literature review in APEL tahap 4. And we can see for the quiz. Nah, in here, student will have quiz that having time limit is 2 hours, and for grading method is highest grade. They can attempt quiz. So when they click the attempt quiz, the time will be start, and this is for the question 1. This is for quiz navigation, and all of the question is in choice, but it's different for APEL tahap 7 or APEL tahap 7. We can finish it first. Student can finish their quiz and submit all and finish, and then they can review their answer and see their grade. In APEL tahap 7 or tahap 7, they can answer question for essay. Like this. Instructor can make question for answer essay, and if we see from the instructor's side, this is for the dashboard. I'm using instructor account. For instructor side, we can see the number of user like this in tahap 4, and we can click for more. This we can see for the user. Now, instructor can enroll the users or enrollment methods and check for check permissions. This is for the participants. There are 10 students and 10 instructors. Instructor also can delete their status, can see what time the last access to course, and instructor can grade, can giving a grade for them. So I think that's all for our LMS. Thank you.